Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Last week you saw us transform our living room wall space into a DIY board and batten dream wall. This project was really inexpensive to do and only took us a few weekends to accomplish, and I will link that video in the description box below so you guys can get some inspiration from watching that video. And today we are really excited to be making this space look extra cozy and extra homey with Roman shades and taking you guys along the whole entire process. So big thank you to Blinds.com for partnering with us on today's video and making this dream come to life. The first thing we did was we went to their website where we browsed through all of their Roman shades, their blinds, and all of the things that they offer to make sure that Roman shades was exactly what we wanted for this project. And I had a designer that was able to help us through the whole process, which you guys can do too, which is super helpful. A week later, our samples arrived, which was absolutely amazing. And I ended up picking Linen Striped Vanilla Stone, which is a beautiful ticking stripe look. Super, super awesome for a farmhouse look as well. And a week later, a gentleman from Blinds.com came to our door and measured everything for us, which was absolutely a dream because I didn't have to worry about being the one that measured things wrong and having complications with my order. He just made it an absolute breeze. He came in with a mask, he came in with footies, and he just was honestly a really big joy to work with. He kept quiet, he kept to himself, and it just made the whole process super, super amazing and honestly stress-free. Once the measurements were inputted into the website, it took about 4 weeks for our Roman shades to get directly to our front door. I was so excited and so eager to get these up as fast as I could because I wanted privacy, I wanted that cozy feel, and I was so excited to get these up.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool.
Installing these Roman shades took us about an hour to do together. It was definitely a two-person job, and holding it honestly helped my hubby so much, and I was so appreciative of him helping me.
And one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know.
The only thing we needed for this project was a leveler, a measuring tape, a drill, as well as a stool or a ladder.
Started writing, probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you.
I think you guys can tell from my jumping up and down how extremely excited I was to get these Roman shades installed into our home. Honestly, the motorized clicker was just such a dream come true, and it was so fun to test that out and see how that worked.
It's a song about your sweetheart and how
One thing I was pleasantly surprised about is how easy it was to control with the clicker. Even my daughter could do it. And one thing that was really awesome that I wasn't expecting was how it really, even during the daytime, made our house dark with these all the way down, and it's actually made bedtime much more of a breeze because when I want my kids to get calmed down, I put the Roman shades down and it kind of transitions them from morning to nighttime, and it's just honestly been such a breeze, especially with daylight savings, to get them to sleep at an appropriate time for their age. If you're looking for any sort of blinds in your home, I highly recommend the shutters at Blinds.com as well as their Roman shades. I think it just gives a really warm, welcoming, and farmhouse look if you are going for that farmhouse style like myself. And I highly recommend you take advantage of getting those samples sent to you so you can really feel the feeling of it as well as the look that it would look like in your home as well.
I wish you'd stay, but there you go. I have so much I wanna say to you, much I wanna say, but there's no time. We used it all, still have so much I wanna talk about, but I messed it up and there you go. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close.
Now, after each installation of each Roman shade on the window, we tested out the motorized clicker to make sure everything came down evenly and was installed perfectly and correctly. And luckily, we had no problem with this process and was an absolute breeze. When it came to our French door windows, we needed to get a leveler, and we used this awesome tool that we got off of Amazon that's a laser leveler, and I highly recommend it. Now with these Roman shades, you have the option of doing an outside mount and an inside mount. For the finish, I highly recommend the inside mount. It gives it such a rich look, and I'm so happy that I went with this finish. It really richens up this space.
If I could do it all again, there is so much that I would change about the way I treated you. I don't deserve a second chance. I know that I'm way too late, 'cause I messed it up and there you go.
Now, if you guys are looking at getting blinds installed in your home, I will have a link to blinds.com in the description box down below. And you guys, they always have incredible deals going on at different times of the year. So make sure you take advantage of that. Take a peek, look around, and see if there's anything that you absolutely love from there. And this is what our home looks like midday, which it has a very moody look. It's perfect for nap time. It's perfect for in the evening when I need to get my kids to sleep. And you guys can see with the motorized remote, turning the Roman shades up really makes a difference in the way my home looks and feels. It just really brightens up the space. And I love how you can stop the Roman shades at any kind of area for a different feel or a different look. I personally love my Roman shades up. It brings that warmth into my home and that homey feel, and I really love the way it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this reveal of our blinds.com motorized Roman shades in that vanilla stripe ticking stripe look. I will see you guys later. This is episode 2 of our living room makeover, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing